Okay, so 24 Grand Highlander. I just took off the bumper. Why do I know that? I can weed. Taillight. This little cover right here. Pop her out from here in the corner. And you pull. Gently, Wesley, gently. And there's 2 10 mils. Now, I thought you had to take this guy off because it's got the blind spots right here as well. So you might as well take the bumper off if you're going to need the blind spots. So you have to do that. So, anyway, not the point. 10, 10. Now, I thought it was all one assembly, and it actually is. Okay? But if you pull firmly towards you, firmly, just tight. So let's do this with both hands. I'll show you. So, it's kind of tight now. You got, this is a guide. That's actually what's holding in. So when you're pulling this guy out of the socket. There's another guide right here. So technically, you don't need to take the bumper off with the taillight to get the taillight. But the harness is down there. So if you're lucky enough to have the actual bulbs, you can just turn them out or unplug them. So let's do that. Let's unplug them and see if we can get the taillight out without removing the bumper. Because we do have the bumper off, but let's do it without it, as if we didn't. Now this is awesome. So you can, that's all this is. This is a board inside this thing. So if this is not damaged, you're good to go. So if it's just a crack on the outside, you're good. Okay, so you can unplug these. Now watch this. Look what this is. It looks like a bulb, but it's actually an LED. I don't know what this is, but stay. Stay. You gonna stay? Stay. Listen. Look at this. This is what I twisted out of this thing. So let me put this thing back and I'll show you what this thing is. It's an LED. It's awesome. So that is what it is. I'm not gonna leave this thing rest. The wires are too fragile. So technically you don't have to take it all out. So plug this wire back in this little holder because it is tight. And we can put everything back. Put the guide back in, guider back in, and then pop back in. So you do not need the bumper off if you want just the tail light. So there you have it. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.